Well, I think it's safe to say that the sunflowers have seen better days, so it's time to deal with them today, which means some of this, but there's very little wastage, as you'll see. So I'm going to remove the leaves to make mulch on the ground below. So there's the leaves. As you can see, I've stripped the stems, and now it's time to decapitate. So I'm just going to get all the heads and put them to one side for now. Let's pop them down there. And then from the top downwards, cut the stalks into sections, about 20 centimetres long. So I've got the leaves on the garden, just keeping the stalks, because I'll let them dry out and they will make kindling for my wood burner. So here's my sunflower heads, and if you just simply go like that, you can expose the seeds. Some of them are a bit rotten, that's no good. I'll put that on for mulch, same with that one, and same with that one. But this one, this nice big one here, I'll be able to get seeds out of, which I can plant next year. And you can see the black tips on there. So these are going to be good sunflower seeds. So that one's for me. And the smaller ones, I'm going to dot around the garden for the little birds. So this one I'm going to put in this hanging basket. There. This one's going in my front apple tree. I'll stick this one where the tomato plant was in this basket. There's a couple in my plum tree around the back. So I've got more than enough seeds for next year. I'll just put these in some paper indoors to dry out. And this will become nature's harvest for the blue-tits and the other little birds which frequent my garden. The film that you've just watched is a Moss Home and Garden production. You can find more by going to www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk. I'd just like to say thank you very much for supporting my YouTube channel and for watching my films. It really is very much appreciated. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to receive future updates about the home and garden films which I upload. You can find my YouTube channel by going to www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk. Please click on the red subscribe button. When you've done that, a little bell will appear. If you press that also, then you'll get future updates about the films which I upload. If you like my films, if you like my style of filming, then you might also like my travel channel, which you will find by going to youtube.com/Stuart Moss or type in www.mosstravel.tv. Again, if you could subscribe to that channel, it would be hugely appreciated. If you'd like to get Moss Home and Garden updates on Facebook, then please open Facebook and do a search for Moss Home and Garden, and you will find the page. If you like the page, then you will get future updates on there. And if you'd like to connect on Instagram for home, garden and travel photography, as well as some stories, then my username is Stu Moss, STUMOSS. If you'd like to connect on Twitter, then my username is @StuartMoss. And if you'd like to contact me about film usage or any other issue, please just email me on stewmosshomegarden@gmail.com. Once again, thank you very much for supporting my channel, for watching my films. I do appreciate it. I'd just like you all to have a great day.